You'll find the windshield wiper washer lever on the right side of the steering wheel. You can choose between two modes, manual or rain sensing. For manual mode, rotate the dial in the center of the lever up to the 3rd position for low-speed wipers. Rotate up to the 4th position for high-speed wipers. To activate rain sensing mode, rotate the dial up to the 1st A position for less sensitivity. Rotate to the 2nd A position for higher sensitivity. Once you've selected the sensitivity level, a quick upward tap of the lever will activate this system. For a quick wipe cycle, push the wiper lever upward and hold for as long as wiping is required. Release the lever to stop the wipers. To activate the windshield washer, pull the wiper lever toward you and hold. Release the lever to stop the washer fluid. The wipers will continue for 3 wipes before stopping. After 6 seconds, a final wipe will complete the washer function. To turn the rear wiper on or off, press the lever down. To activate the rear washer, push the lever forward and release it for a single wash cycle. Or push and hold for continuous operation. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.